Exercise 15.2, question 6. So what we've got here is we've got these three questions, A, B, and C. So we're going to start off with the first one, which is 2x squared plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 5x. So the idea behind this is try and tidy up the things that are the same. This is only addition and subtraction. So if we imagine the x squareds to be maybe something like squares, so I'll just put even a rectangle or something funny like that. And then we do the same here for any more x squared. So we can see over here we've got a 3 and we have another kind of x squared over here. So if you have 2 rectangles plus 3 rectangles, you're going to have 5 rectangles in total. So in other words, we're going to have 5 x squared here as our answer, 5x squared. And then to finish off, we have 2x plus 5x. So it's just 2 and 5 is 7x. No messing about there. Plus 7 x there in that one. So that's part A completed. You can't tidy that up any further because x squareds are not the same as x's. They are different. So in the next question, we have our terms here. We have an m squared, we have an m, we have another m squared, and we have another m. So the ones we have to tidy up, it looks like we've got the m squareds are the things that are the same. And we've also got m's, which are look to be the same there. So with that in mind, we've got a 3m squared here, and we've got a 4m squared here. So they are like terms, so we just work with the numbers that are in front. So 3m squared plus 4m squared is 7. 3 and 4 is 7m squared. And that's the m squareds tidied up. So tick for that, done. And then we have a 2m minus 3m. Now we need to be a bit careful here. 2 minus 3. So when the signs are different, take the small number from the big. So 2 from 3. 2 is smaller number, 3 is the bigger number. You're left with 1. Keep the sign the big number, and it's tall, majestic hills. So minus 1. So you get minus 1. And of course we're dealing with m's, so it's minus 1 m's. And the complete correct answer for that one there would be 7m squared. And of course the 1 is implied in maths, so you just have to say minus m there to finish it off. So that's part B done. And part C then, so the terms that are we've got here, we've got a q squared. So anything to do with q squareds. We've also gone across here, we've got a number. So we've got a number. Is there any more numbers there? So number 3, just put a hashtag beside it there indicating a number. And we also have a Q going on here, or Q's. So Q here going on here. So we've 3 different things in this one that they can't tidy up with each other, 3 different things. But we do have, so we start off with the Q squareds. Do we have any more Q squared? So as you can see here, we've got a minus 8Q squared, and we've got a plus 4Q squared. So that's going to be minus 8 plus 4. So minus 8 plus 4, and again we're into our thing here when the signs are different. Take the small number from the big. So that'll be, signs are different. So the small number is 4, the big number is 8. So 4 from 8 leaves 4. And keep the sign of the big number, and it's tall, majestic hills, which is minus 4. So that's, we're doing that, applying that to here. Minus 8q squared plus 4q squared is going to leave us with minus 4q squared. So that's then working with the numbers in front, you get the minus 4, and don't forget the q squared. And then you have a minus 3, there's no more numbers to tidy up there, that's it. And you have a minus q, you've got no more q's on their own to tidy up. And that's the answer to that one. And that's question 6 complete.